La Diva. We have so many purses that's not even funny. It's the rare ones that have the jewelry in them, like we found the other day. Carlos. Oh, crap, yeah. Jackpot. Ooh, an iPhone. Another iPhone. Pirates, I didn't see you there. That's that old locker nut show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages. It is I, your captain, speaking. I am here. I got my co-captain, Uncle Michael there. Wave to him, everybody.
Captain.
Whatever.
He's no captain. You guys know that.
It's pirate time. It's very simple. You wanna
No, not right now.
Oh.
Take your break.
Oh, take my break. Some of us don't have time for a break. We got to work, and now you guys see why I have to be on him. Like, all the time getting, oh, you pick on Uncle Michael. Oh, you're so hard. You guys, first off, you think I'm bad? There's a reason why I don't put what he says on camera. I can't. But look at that. This one's good, Uncle Michael. There was a bag of shoes here, of purses, and in the bag of purse was the jewelry. And this is like all shoes, so we're gonna wardrobe that up. It seems like it's shoes, and it gets into like sheets. Wardrobe that up. This will be the Stockton tomorrow dishes. I'm not worried about that. That's what I'm talking about. See, doesn't it seem like that's better for Concord than Stockton? All these weird things, or just screw it. Let it go. Let it go.
Screw it and let it go. I don't know.
Screw it and let it go. We're gonna do it. We paid $800 for this storage unit. Those are going to Alameda, those marbles there.
Big, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make wardrobes at Alameda. I'm gonna try to film all this. If I don't, I'll set some stuff aside to film later. But that's this unit. You're getting some cool dishes right off the bat. I'm not gonna go through every dish and show you guys like, oh guys, hey, we have a $4 plate. You know, I can't do that. It's just not my style. I'm gonna do my best to give you a rough idea of things that are in here. Oh, look at that. See them? That doesn't feel like an Alameda piece.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I was thinking it's gonna be regular dish, but that is very Alameda. Thomas O'Brien stoneware. I don't know nothing about that. Made in Portugal. So it's just a lot of mismatched. I would say at this point, Uncle Mike, load like this tall, like dolly stack tall. Our African art pile is definitely building up again. We got some more of these. I'm gonna save all the African art for Alameda. What I'm doing is I'll pull the black totes out. We bring black totes now with the other lids. Those are Alameda. Green ones, etc., go somewhere else. We kind of try to keep stuff like that. Dublin, Crystal, 3-tiered. These things like this, we're just gotta go. Or it's gonna be whatever we can get for it at the flea market. We got, how many times we found this roasting pan? Exactly this one. La Diva. All right. I'm gonna make a just purse box. Come on. Come on. Be in there. No. Come on. Come on. No. Okay, we got a moon suit. We've been saving these already. Meyer, New York. Alright. Oh, Meyer. Okay. They really like the moon suit. Not bad though. What do you guys think of all these moon suits? That's why I said we're only going to load about yay high so you don't have to stress over how you're loading.
Still gotta be straightened up.
This is a sack, the sack. And this is a Renee. The Hobo International. Alright. Gonna have to do some research. But it looks like a Havre Bernard. I don't know about that. Then we have something. Then we have Perlina, New York. Look at that. Nice. We have so many purses that's not even funny. What I'm gonna have to do is kind of, if I see one that stands out, that's a high-end brand or something of that nature, I'll make sure to point it out. But I can't go through every single purse. It's crazy. They're not, a lot of them are just regular and not of extreme significance. But what I am looking for is the rare ones that have the jewelry in them, like we found the other day. I'm here and inspect Uncle Michael's load. I already told him don't even go that high. He still does it anyway. Reason being is the weight gets heavy, so you space it out a little bit and then drop the weight here harder. A Sony and an Onkyo receiver, that'll go well. on these. I think these are pricey. Advent Legacy 2. Advent Legacy 2. I'm gonna look them up, but I think they are pricey. I think,
like you said, though, they were,
I think somebody clickbaited.
I want to see they were,
What?
you don't think they were
They were just clean people.
stealing rock or something?
No, they're probably buying. This is just gift stuff. This is probably the stuff that they had to clean out of their house just to sell it, because it was probably floor to roof like this. Caroline Herrera, New York. That's kind of cool. It's brand new. I know, is that just sheets?
Oh, well, you want to touch it?
No. I just want to make sure there's no expensive purchase.
Phil, this thing's heavy for like what it feels like. I don't
It's
say
a
what it
dress
is.
bead. Hobos for days. Look at that. Hobo, hobo, boat. We got one here. What do we have here? We got a Monsouk. Nice. Brand new leathery. The crazy part is, Uncle Michael, most of this is older too. Like those speakers that you carried out and I said were nice, those are from the 70s. These are always nice. A Brenner cooker. I think I'm gonna take that home. This is Alameda all of the way right here. Uncle Michael, these look like your size. We're doing it to it. The thing about it is it's very poorly packed as well. It's loaded in here. What are you gonna do with these?
Curtains.
They are curtains, okay. And it's a lot of the same stuff. Like you have shoes, you have curtains, you have clothes, you have kitchen stuff. So what we're doing right now is just kind of taking the clothes and it's going as we're finding it here, because it is just literally, it's just thrown in here. I'm confused. So we're grabbing it and going. Ooh, what is this? A sheet? Carlos by Carlos Santana. I'm gonna have to look those up because I didn't know Carlos Santana made boots, and that might be something of value, but we'll see. I don't think that's what it was. When the sun goes down on my side of town. There you go, guys. See what I'm talking about? I'm working, cutting nails. That's something you do on your off time. A hobo. Hobos are good. All right. Mersanton. Where? Wow. Oh yeah, I did see that already. I thought it was gonna be cool because I one photo on top of the guy in the military, and then it got real different all of a sudden. Oh crap! Yeah. Jackpot. Bank of Negara, Malaysia, $1. Here, Uncle Mike, we get a tip today.
Yeah, go ahead.
No? I thought you saved
One
this.
pass to the bathroom.
One pass to the bathroom. Oh, let's not talk about the bathroom. It's already horrible. Just so you know, I gotta go too.
You want these baseball cards set up?
No.
Huh?
Not unless you see a Michael Jordan in there. Ooh, an iPhone. Interesting. Oh, one of those. Another iPhone. Yeah, which one? The shoes?
Huh?
The shoes?
No, the other one.
I didn't look in it. All right, so this Michael Kors? No. Well, we're getting down to it, guys. We have gathered together cool boxes of stuff, new clothes, new shoes, a whole box of purses and brand new shoes. Those are all getting set aside. The rest will be gone. I was gonna take these to Alameda, but I'm gonna see how I do tomorrow. There's a lot of good shoes here, but they're $5, $10 bills. They're not like sit there and milk them. We got 9 West. That's my style. It doesn't mean that's the way it should be for everybody. Oh, this stack is good right here too, Uncle Mike. We got dressers. We got a lot of cool stuff. This piece right here, 80, 100 bucks. Truck's getting full, getting real full. Actually, it's not full at all. Unit number 4 of the day on top of a small little load to the flea market. We're done. Trailer, done. Load, done. Let's rock and roll. Oh, that was brilliant. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, we are here at this place called the Del Oso Family Farm. It's a huge pumpkin patch and crazy place. Like, look, it's just got some weird stuff. I'm gonna try to take you through a little tour here with us and the family, let you see what there's here. It's not just a pumpkin patch, it's a little bit more than that. Imagine that. We are somewhere. Some of my family members, all the pirates. So many pirates in this world. That's a big old pipe. I remember I used to have these when I was a kid, like on the side of the road, and we would always just go play in them.
It sounds like a gutter in there.
Like a gutter?
I'm going in the maze.
Are you going to record it? It's gonna be a long video. Hope you got memory.
I'm in the corn. Which way
This
should I
is
go?
weird. They actually reversed it.
Alright, let's try this way. That seems like a dead end. No, that seems like a dead end.
These are new attractions on the farm. They are over by the haunted house. This is a clue.
Yep.
Boom.
He was a very famous actor who played Frankenstein for decades.
Is that Gene Wilder? Huh.
Where's the end?
It's right there. See? The tent there. Michaela!
Michaela!
Michael!
Mikey! Michaela!
They're lost. I will bet you money they cheated. They ran through the corn. So this is very important, guys. I want to say this real quick. We are walking through this corn maze, and something people don't know about pirates is one of their major attributes is map reading. That's how we survived for so many centuries, is the ability to read a map and navigate through the sea. The sea is no different than corn. A maze. Amazing. Amazing Grace. This represents a big one for us this year. Yep, they did. They cheated. I'm telling you. Watch. You guys cheated. I know it.
No.
Yeah.
Nope, never.
I know you guys did. You went through. I know for a fact you did.
Yeah, we did walk through one time.
See? What'd I tell you guys?
It was just so it'd go faster. It wasn't even like we cheated. It was just so it would save us like 5 seconds.
Cheater. Thank you. We're supposed to run. Ooh, my head.
Yeah, no walking through there.
I'm gonna beat you, Michael. Pirates don't have to cheat.
I win.
He's not a real
I'm
pirate.
a winner. Hey, he tried to get in front of me. I just outbested him.
Who won?
Me.
Michael cheated. Did Anaya cheat too? Alright, we got Michael on the left, the little woman in the middle, and Michaela fell all off the thing. Look at that. Woo! I like it. Come on, keep it coming. Come on, Michaela, power through it. Little woman fell. I would have smoked them off if I would have went in this one. You cheated. What is, you guys, comment below. This kid right here cheats at every game. You.
What are you talking about?
What are you gonna say for yourself?
I'm not cheating.
Yeah.
You saw that. I just won that. I just blasted through that.
All right, we're getting ready to go in the haunted house. I think it's gonna be fun. Let's see. Are you scared?
No.
I think you are.
No.
Comment below if you think Evian is scared. Good morning. How you doing?
Doing fine, thank you. You?
Doing great. Ooh. You are forever entering a haunted house, Eviana. Wah, ha, ha, ha. My guess is Michaela cries. That's how I'm gonna go, right? Eviana? Michaela will be the one to cry? Ooh, look at that. There's pigs. Look at your guys' dog. It's Gobi.
Okay, but I won't get scared unless it's a spider. It wasn't bad. Sweating!
That was a haunted house right there. I haven't been in one of those in a while.
I'm just sweating.
That was fun. Cut it out. Cut it out.
I'm sweating from the tube thing.
little bit of tinkle came out.
Scary. That was spooky.
Little tinkle. I wasn't that scared.